Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with yet another tutorial video for you guys today on how to geek, and in today's video I'm about to show you how you can use your Instagram. So if you're new to your Instagram and have been wondering for the step-by-step tutorial on the beginner's guide, I'm here with a proper solution to your problem. So as you must know, Instagram is a social media platform for sharing photos and contents. It helps you connect with different individuals from all around the world and view their content and view what you can explore. So this is a perfect app for you to be on at this particular time. Instagram was founded in 2010, and in 2012 Facebook purchased it, which means that Instagram is currently owned by Facebook. Hence it has different features, and these are the features that you definitely like to explore, and I'm going to show you how you can begin using your Instagram. So for this, first of all, what you have to do is head over to your app store and make sure that you download the app. So go to your app store, and on the bottom right corner there's a search icon. Tap on it, and then on the search bar type in Instagram. As you type in Instagram, you'll see an app like this, and as you see an app like this where it reminds you of the red ratings and that you must be 12 plus age in order to begin using this app. So after you get through all of these, tap on the download button in order to start downloading the app. As your app gets downloaded, open up the app, and you're likely to land on an interface that looks like this, where you'll have to enter your phone number, username or email, and your password in order to log into your account. If you want to sign up, simply tap on the sign up button, and then here you have to pick a username for your new account. So pick a particular username, then tap on the next button. After doing that, you'll be asked to set up a password. Set up the password, complete your profile, and then you'll have been able to land upon a profile that looks particularly like this. So here, as you can see, I've completed the sign up process and landed on my profile. So after you land on a page that looks like this, there you can see an option that says edit profile. So the very first thing you have to do is to begin setting up your profile. So tap on edit profile, and as you do that, you can change your profile photo, and that is by importing from Facebook, by taking a photo, or choosing from library. So here I'm just going to choose a particular picture from the library and then tap on the done button. After doing that, you can see that your profile photo has now appeared on your screen. Then set up a name for yourself. So here it says that you can only change a name twice within 14 days. So be mindful of that, and then set up a name and then tap on the done button. After you tap on the done button, Instagram has brought about this new feature where you can select your pronouns. So tap on particular pronouns that relate to you. So here I'm just going to set up with the pronouns, and after doing that, tap on the done button again. Now also you can choose here if you'd like to show it to your followers only, or if you want every single person that ever tries to visit your profile to be able to see that. So I'm just gonna let that happen. So tap on done button after you're done doing that. Now here you can also add a particular website if you have a certain website, and then you can also change your bio. So here I'm just gonna type in a certain bio and then tap on the done button again. After doing that, in this way your initial profile will be set up. So tap on the done button once you're done with this, and now you'll be able to see certain changes in your own profile. So wait until that particularly happens. So here you can see that there are certain changes that have already come up on your profile, and here it says that your profile has already been 3 of 4 complete. So there are a lot of things that you can do with this. Here now I'm going to take you to the different main menu section where you can make different sort of changes. But before that, you can see that if you want to make any sort of changes, there are 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. You can anytime tap on them, and then the most important thing you'll need here is settings. When you go to settings, you can go to account, and as you go to account, you'll be able to see different information here, by means of which you can change the information as well as per your requirement. So this is an important function over here that you'll be requiring. Now another thing about Instagram is being able to share your photos with other people, to add your photos to your feed, because this is your feed. So how you can do this is by tapping on the plus icon in the middlemost section, and after doing that, select a particular picture that you'd like to upload, and after doing that, tap on the next button. When you tap on the next button, you can use any sort of filters here if you want, and then you can also edit it by these degrees. You can see different options here to edit. After doing that, you can see that on the uppermost section there are different options. You can either tap on the download button and this image will be saved to your camera roll. You can also use the settings in order to edit it, and then tap on the next button again. After you do this, in order to upload it, you'll have to write a caption. And after you write down a caption, you also have the option to tag some people or add a certain location. So here I'm just gonna add a certain location over here. And after you do that, you can also send it to your Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr, and then tap on the share button. Once you tap on the share button, you will now be able to see that when you go to your feed, you'll be able to see a certain post that has already been made. If you'd like to make certain changes to this particular post, tap on the three dots on the post. You can either delete it, archive it, you can hide the like count, you can turn off commenting, edit the post, or copy the link, share to, or share. So these are different sort of changes that you can make to the particular post. After doing this, you can see that there's a heart icon on the main menu section. When you tap on the heart icon, it will basically show you all the notifications associated with your account. So if somebody has liked your post, or if somebody has commented on your post, or if somebody has started following you, all of these notifications will be shown to you in this particular activity section. There you can also see the search icon. When you tap on the search icon, you'll be able to explore different pages over in this section. But what you can also do is you can also search for yourself. And here I'm just going to search for a particular account, be it your friend's account, any celebrity, anybody. And when you go to their account, you can start following that particular person. So here I'm just going to follow the person. And after you do this, you'll have followed the person. When you go to your profile, you'll be able to see that your following has now changed. So now the last thing over here is the home button. When you go to the home button now, you'll be able to see on your feed different contents that have been created by other people, different updates that have been posted by other people. So this is how the home page works. Now along the home page itself, I'd like to introduce you to two important features that make Instagram Instagram. So the first thing is of course the story part. So tap on your story, and after you tap on your story, what you can do is you can either scroll upwards and choose a particular picture from your own gallery to upload on your story, or you can use different filters. And then what you can do is you can simply click for a certain story, be it a video or a photo. You can also make edits to it by adding some filters, by adding different sorts of polls or location or time. You can also make changes from this level and then also add a certain text if you want. After you do this, you can tap on send to. You can either send this to any person that you want, or you can send it to your story. Then tap on done. Once you do so, your story will get updated, and this story will remain with you until 24 hours. After the exceed of 24 hours, they'll be in your stories archive. So here you can see that my story has been uploaded, and in this manner you can also look at the stories of other people. And then another important feature is the DM button. The DM button is up there on the top right corner. Tap on it, and now what you can do here is you can either search for the messages that you've had previously, or you can compose a message. So here, to compose a message, tap on the compose button on the top right corner, search for a particular person that you'd like to send a message to, and then tap on chat. After you tap on chat, you'll now be directed towards a page like this, where here you can simply type in the message and send to the person. After you do that, you can also send in a voice message if you'd like to, or a picture if you'd like to, or even a GIF if you'd like to. So here I'm just going to send all of these. You can also make audio calls or video calls like you can see in the page itself. So these are the basic things by means of which the Instagram runs. These are the most basic essentials that you'd like to know in order for you to get on Instagram and keep up with that game. I really hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to learn yourself, create an Instagram account, and run the Instagram account on your own. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of the future tutorial videos that are uploaded on How to Geek. Thank you everyone. I'll see you around in the next video.